Man, if it's actually right, man,
Oh man.
if it says this, like if we see dumb shit is happening in the chat, it means that it's actually choosing the 2 position, like the offset of 2.
Mm-hmm.
So now we do it here, I guess.
So what were you guessing again?
And we don't see any evidence of dumb shit happening, right?
What is the dumb shit happening thing?
Coordinate of the branch origin is minus 0.381. The actual coordinate of the branch origin is 0. The found branch origin is 39, 0 minus 63. So yeah, it didn't happen here, right?
Wait, did you change the code to make it always generate Baco, by the way?
No, I didn't. I forgot.
Oh man, do you want to do it quickly? So we don't need
I
to
don't
go
even
through like
remember
10
where I should
attempts.
do it.
Oh man. Alright. Oh man.
Oh, I guess it's in oak sapling generator.
You wanna do it? Or you wanna try like
Yeah,
10 times to get a Baco?
yeah, I'm gonna do it. It should be in oak sapling. Wait, huh? Um, um. Oh, it's in oak tree grower. Okay, and yeah, it's this.
Yeah. This should
No, wait,
generate
wait, wait, wait. No, it's
bees.
not. It's actually not.
Oh no.
This is for the bees.
Yeah, Fancy Oak B005. Oh man.
Oh no, 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 no. This is also fancy oak.
Yeah. So what?
Okay, so I'm actually just going to comment out the actual code,
And just make it return should generate.
and then I just make return.
Fancy Oak. Nice.
Wait, why? Oh, because I put it. And
Out.
这局把我逼完了，真爽。没有玩江哥，我推到加分，我极爽。因为加分，加分的 dash 我可以用 LW 挡掉，然后他刚好敌人那个墙壁，我就可以移他，然后他那个墙壁。
你玩什么？
oh, because it's 3 features.
妈的，极爽。
Okay, now it should always grow a big oak.
dash 压缩。妈的，玩到极爽。
Nice. Alright. I hope
I
it
think.
always generates. Yeah, if it always generates. They like to use weird names like Fancy Oak. I think
Yeah,
I remember there was
yard map.
Yeah.
In yarn mappings, it's big oak and it makes sense. But in
MC.
Mojang, they fancy
Oh,
oak.
fancy oak. And also for the wither skulls, I remember there was some weird names, right? Like I think, but it kind of makes sense. Like it's called dangerous skull for blue skull, and in yarn mapping it's called charged
Yeah.
skulls. I mean, the dangerous skull makes sense, but it also sounds like so childish. or
Black
something.
skulls are not dangerous. Well, they are.
It's very weird. So, oh man.
Yeah, now it should always grow a big oak.
Hopefully. Nice.
Yup.
Yep.
It always grows the big oak.
Yep. Okay. Now let's see if your theory is.
Yeah, it never says the dumb shit is happening line,
What
which
is
means it never does it, right?
what is the dumb shit is happening line?
Basically, if it selected some like an origin that is more than 2 blocks away
Does it not?
from the sapling, but it doesn't ever do it. I mean, I could crash the game when it happens.
What do you mean crash
So
the
we
game when
would
it
know.
happens? Oh man.
I could make it crash the game.
I mean, you could just make it like spawn a big block in front of your face or something.
I could make it crash my computer.
Why? Why would you want to do
It's
that?
funny.
Oh man. I mean, you could just make it set a block in front of your face or something. So that, and then you could just hold right click.
But yeah. But yeah, yeah. It never uses that, which is kind of weird.
It uses it above the Y level.
I'm going to test it.
You mean the theoretical number blah 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 thingy? That line of code?
Yeah, grown a tree here, maximum height,
It doesn't have the difference
never
between
happens.
something is.
It never happens.
Wait.
Unless
Which
we
one?
have to do some math.
No. What is not happening? Which one?
This thing is not happening. Wait. Here.
What does it
This.
even do?
Would set the height to 2.
Set what height equals to 2?
The offset for the origin to exactly 2.
Does it even happen?
It doesn't, from what I can see, which is weird as fuck.
And is that what you're guessing before or something?
It was one of the guesses I had. I just want to know what the fuck everything is doing now. Man, nice leaves, man. Nice leaves.
Oh man.
And yeah, a very short tree, and this will be the branch. Wait, did it generate the branch here? No. Hopefully not.
Oh man.
But yeah.
Oak code.
Oak is dumb.
So it's not the rounding error thingy?
No, it should be. And I'm trying to confirm it is.
Origin is at 0.6. Wait, what was your guess again? I don't remember. What was your guess?
No. Right now, like, we pretty much know that it's the fact that it's the wrong block.
You mean the rounding thing?
Yeah,
Or
the thing. But now I want to know what the fuck does this
this
do?
code is doing?
Like, this code ever run at all?
Can we
Because
even see if it's called anywhere?
I mean, the calls, it's a conditional.
And when will it be called?
Like, it's called when it needs to find the final position.
And where is it? What thing is calling it to find the final branch origin pos y?
I mean, it's when it tries to place everything here. It's in place trunk, right?
Hmm?
Oh man, the sun is reflecting on my
Oh man.
monitor, so I can't even see. Yeah, it should be when it places the trunk. Yeah, because place trunk also places the branches.
Mm-hmm.
Like place trunk also calls make branches. But yeah. Now I'm like this code basically always does this from what I can see. It assigns this value to this, and it never assigns this one.
What? Okay. Oh, I don't understand, but I don't even know what this line of code is doing. Oh man.
Wait, because this is position that get y plus 2. So if we have a negative position, wait, what?
Hmm?
If we have a negative position for the origin, oh no, because this is, yeah, it's negative. The sapling is also negative. So yeah. No, so this condition here is never true.
Why does it even
Why the
exist?
fuck? Man,
Oh man.
this code makes no sense.
Oh,
But we finally got y,
oh man.
right? Let me grow a tree. And it got what? It got, well, it will always get the same position, right? 106.2. So yeah, I need to move it somewhere else. Like, for example, down here, three,
Mhm.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I can, wait, oh man. And I can leave that. And this can be concrete to limit the height, and we grow it here. This is 93.238. What if I have it one higher? But yeah, you can see this is balloon oak. It's actually a big oak, but it doesn't make the branches because it's dumb as fuck.
Okay.
Green. But yeah, this was too short of a tree, so it generated the leaves there. An actually decent tree. Okay, nice. Yeah, 94.619, but it's still 94.
Yeah.
So it doesn't even care that it's 0.6. But 94.619 is above the block. Like, it's actually in the block above.
No, because in Minecraft, 0, like point 0 is starting at the block above it, right? No, like not like, right? I mean, like from 0 to
Is it?
0.9999999 is a block, and then 0 to 0.9999999 is a block, right? In Minecraft.
Where should I tell up? 90. This, but this is 94.619.
Because from 0 to 0.619 is in the same block, and then if it goes to negative 0.0001, it will become to the lower block, right?
Let me look at it.
I mean, you should place a block beside it.
I mean, it's a leaf. You can tell where it ends.
Can you? I can't tell where a leaf is ending.
I mean, there is a repeating pattern on the corner, if you can see it.
No, I'm blind.
Oh man, can you not see? Oh man, can you not see it? Wait, fuck you, Steve. Okay, yeah. Can you not see it now?
No. What?
Oh
Where?
man.
Where? I don't know. No, I can't see it. No. Oh man.
Oh man. And it goes to 94, which is this block here is 94,
Yeah.
right?
Wait,
Yeah.
where were you standing at?
It's always one lower
Yeah, which makes
value.
sense. It makes sense because it starts from 0
94.6.
all the way up to
Yeah.
infinite small decimals.
When I go, so when I say to do it at negative values,
It still goes higher because 0 counts as a same. Because 0 counts point 0 is a higher block, so it just takes the block above it instead of the block itself, which should happen in every single case except negative value, right?
I mean, kind of, yes, but what the fuck?
No, like if you have a ruler, right? And then it's
So,
starting from 0.0 to any value
what?
below
Oh man,
1.
you can actually type the smiley face.
Wait, what? How
Wait.
did you even type it?
Oh man, that is nice.
Where did you even get the symbol? Is it on your laptop?
I don't have it on my keyboard.
Wait, what the fuck? And how did you type it?
Oh man.
Oh, the fuck?
Oh man.
Okay. Impressive.
Anyway,
Yeah, it makes sense to me. Because starting from 0 to any number below 1, it's in the same block, so 0 0.6, 0 0.7, or something, it all equals to 0. But from negative value, it starts to change, right?
minus 0.3.
It goes into the -1 block instead of the 0 block, which also makes
Yeah,
sense.
it's actually inside of here,
So
but
it
rounding
takes...
it puts it here.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So that's what...
Yeah, it's
Probably
exactly
what...
that.
Yeah.
And I was thinking that we might have had to do some math, but we don't.
Nice. So...
Because it's basically, well, it's
Just...
gonna be a negative if it's negative, or a positive if it's in positive.
But it's not.
So yeah, we actually know what the fuck happened.
Oh man, now it's time to write a stupid long explanation explaining what branch origin is and what branch tip is.
No, man, no, 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 no.
I mean, the simple way is just to say, okay, because of something and something, or because of the branch origin is set at a negative value and stuff like that, and the branch origin will pretty much determine like where the branch will generate or something. I don't know how to
Yeah,
explain branch
the
origin.
only height that can generate an horizontal branch, and there is where we would need to do the math, but we don't
because
no one cares and no one will ever question it.
Oh man.
Like, you technically would need to do the math to do like an accurate write-up, but no one cares.
Yeah. So how do you even plan to explain it? Oh man.
Simply, so the height limiter, the only height, like the lowest height that can generate an horizontal branch in big oak.
Wait, actually,
is
Lolo. Wait, actually, can you lower the block and see what shows at negative y value? Like, does it show it instead of 1, it shows at 0 or something?
It probably won't show anything. Yeah, it doesn't even
Count? Why?
right.
I don't actually know what happens before that
One branch
origin.
attempt will be made, but it doesn't do anything. So it simply goes to try and place branches, and it places the one on top of the tree.
Oh, it does. And for the horizontal one, it has two
set
branches.
block
39, 0,
wait, the origin
39.
39 2
Two.
minus 63.
39
2 minus 63.
Maybe put it white stained glass or
Uh,
something. It's clear. Stained glass.
Replace oak log. Oh, because I need to use fill because set block doesn't work with replace.
Oh man.
Stupid.
39 to negative 32.
2 minus 3. And it was this one.
And it's the branch, I guess.
And then the tip is 39 0 minus 63.
It's just 2 blocks lower.
And so in total, this was a branch.
Yeah.
And this was the fucking trunk.
Trunk.
Big oak, they call it. And then
No, they call it fancy oak.
yeah. Because
Really
what it does
fancy.
is it places
The
like
trunk.
half, a little less than half height.
Yeah.
Like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wait,
5,
wait,
yeah.
Lolo. So for horizontal ones, does it even have 2 branch attempts or does it only have 1?
What?
For horizontal branches, does it have 2 attempts or does it only have 1 attempt as well?
It only has one.
Always
it only
has
has
one.
one.
But where is the
Yeah.
horizontal attempt going?
It's
Disappeared?
here. Wait. I can. Yeah, I searched for the comment. But it's here. So this is wait, rename code occurrence. Okay. So this should be horizontal branch attempts. Okay. Yeah.
Then?
And then oh man. Wait, how do I call this though?
What's the difference in this with that one?
Because this is placed branches, but it doesn't necessarily place them.
Oh man, what?
So I guess this is maximum. Max horizontal branch attempts.
So
And
this one
these
is the actual
are,
attempts?
yeah. But you can see here, branches to place, which should be max horizontal branch attempts, is always 1. And I should here is that, and see how it is determined, and it is determined here. But you can see this thing. So this is the minimum between 1 and the floor. We just takes it basically removes the decimals in a good way. And cluster density magic is 1.382.
Oh
So
man.
it's already greater than 1. And then it's adding a positive value.
And what's gonna happen?
And it takes the minimum, like the horizontal branch attempts is the minimum between 1 and this value here.
So
But
it's
this
always
value here
1.
is always greater than 1. So the maximum branch attempt is always 1, because the smaller of 1 and something that is bigger than 1 is obviously 1.
Bruh.
And they probably wanted to say max, but then why the fuck would it matter?
Man.
Because you're still adding this. I guess canopy height. No, what? It does. It doesn't. It doesn't even matter if you do minimum or max. It's just always one of the two values. In this case, it's always 1.
Oh man.
If you do
Okay.
max, it will be the maximum between 1 and something that is always greater than 1. And so it will always choose the second value.
Okay.
And so doing max. So yeah, it's entirely fucking useless code. Nice.
Nice. Oh man.
But yeah, due to the fact that they cast a double coordinate to an integer, the double coordinate gets selected to a value that it's slightly, like the difference is should be slightly above the block above the sapling. So it should be, the coordinate is inside of the block above the block 2 blocks above the sapling, but due to the fact that they cast it to an integer, it goes on the block below, right?
Yeah. I mean, you could even just quickly draw some stupid stuff out, and it'll just quickly make sense. What?
Oh, by the way, look at this funny thing.
What is this?
It is very funny. Right piston, left piston, same exact thing. Left piston, left piston.
Hey, what? What
It's the
happened?
same exact thing.
Is it locational live thing?
Yes.
Oh man.
It is very funny.
Oh man.
Oh, also, did I ever show you I did this thing?
What
Oh
is
wait,
this?
I removed it. Fuck, I
What
did
is
remove
it
it.
for?
Oh man, I had made a custom thing to actually tell me the notifier order of a piece of redstone dust
Oh, what?
when you click it. Yeah, it's not it's not hard either.
I mean, you should
Just I
fucking make
forgot to.
it out. in a fucking mod so we don't. That would be helpful somehow.
Yeah, it was this, but I removed it
Oh
because yeah, this
man.
is shitty code. Like
It's a what code?
it's very shitty,
Oh man.
very bad, but it worked. Like just as a quick thing.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, I was planning on making it an actual mod,
Nice. Yeah, go for it.
but then Fabric example mod seems to be broken for some fucking reason.
Oh yeah, I heard from Intricate that Mixin is broken or something. Jeez.
Like
Is
the
it?
whole
Or
fucking thing is
something.
broken. There is an error that shouldn't exist in a project
Say what? Let me see what
that
she
is
said. She
done
said
well.
like, oh, she
Wait,
said fabric
no.
loom is broken. What is that thing?
Oh man, yeah, Loom is broken. They broke Loom. It's a plugin that is used to actually get the thing.
Oh, okay.
Like Fabric example mod, if I go and open it, right?
Yeah.
Generated the sourcing and everything, and yeah, I close it. But look what happens if I try to actually reload the Gradle project. If I try to reload the project, which is what I would have to do to even build the mod, so I would have to do it anyway.
Hmm.
And yeah, it downloads the metadata from Maven, the libraries. It downloads Fabric Loom. Then when it's configuring the project, it does this thing.
Oh man.
Loom is broken.
Okay.
And why the fuck is it broken? Why is it broken? Wait. Maybe. Instead of using this version, I could use this version. Maybe this version isn't broken? It is. Nice.
Oh man.
What about this version? Or did they break everything?
Oh, someone actually
This
made a
plugin isn't available
someone
for
made a
this
single
configuration.
output for Game Purge that is also 7x7. Guess I'm not the smallest
And yeah,
anymore.
fuck you. No Loom version works.
Oh man.
Any Loom version that I try breaks. Great. How the fuck did they break the fucking plugin? And why are they not fixing it? Is the
Oh
bigger
boy.
question. Why is Loom broken? But yeah, now we actually know what's happening. And yeah, from 3 blocks above the sapling, it will place the tip of a branch, right?
Mm.
Yup. Instead of maybe I should put an actual decent comment.
Which is stupid.
Basically, the trunk only generate only generates well, doesn't. Now the comment actually makes some sense. But yeah, we kind of got it. Wait, no, it should have worked. Did I break it? Oh, because it wasn't a stick. Yeah, the dust thing. I changed the tool from a stick to a wooden hoe.
Oh,
But yeah, now you can see it.
nice.
And for example, if we go here, you can see up northwest, south down southeast. But now it's down southeast, up northwest south. And
Okay.
here is south down southeast, up northwest. And here is up northwest, south down. So yeah.
Oh boy. Okay.
And yeah, I forgot I changed it to a wooden hoe.
Oh.
And now I'm actually going to make the code a little better.
Oh man, should we actually?
This is
No,
just
wait, no. You should write the explanation for the stupid oak.
No, I don't want to.
I mean, it's not. I mean, you could just write a shitty one and call that a day. Yeah. Actually, I need to update my video description maybe to tell people don't build it at -y, because
Yeah, oh, I thought you already did it.
I
But
think I did, but oh yeah, I did, but I didn't do
Oh.
it for. Did I do it for the Chinese one? Yeah, I did it for the English one. Did I did it for the Chinese one? Oh yeah, I did. Okay.
yeah,
Really?
it's
Okay.
a tiny bit important because
It's kind of
otherwise
like I know
it would
people like
go
to build
branching.
stuff.
小声一点。
I know people like to build stuff in the perimeter, for example.
Yeah. So
This one. My Skype video got like 900 views after one day, while on Bilibili I've only posted it for half a day and it got 2.7k already. Like
oh man.
2 times more. No, more than 2 times more. Stupid.
所以你们得出来的结论是，
啊？
项目在 Y 是负的时候长得不一样吗？
对，因为游戏算的方法，对的，这样。
Now time to actually explain it.
Oh man.
I mean, so
Okay, first thing you should explain is branch origin and then what it matters with the sapling height and then finally the difference
I'm
in the
going
height,
to
right?
explain it in a little simpler way.
Oh man.
So the max, the minimum height you can have the height limiter block at for the bug to occur is the height you can have the height limiter block at for the bug to occur is
7 blocks between
uh,
sapling and block.
9 blocks above the sapling, right?
No, it's 7 blocks between the sapling and the block.
No.
Is it 9 blocks? No, it's 9 blocks
No,
above the dirt. It's
Yeah,
8
above the
blocks
dirt.
between
So
the.
it's 8 above the sapling.
I mean, it's just
So
7
it's
blocks
like
gap between the
dirt,
sapling and the block, right? Basically.
And no, it's 9. No, it's 8.
No, between the sapling and the block, though. That's what I was testing. At negative y
Oh,
value.
yeah, within the sapling and the block, yeah.
Yeah. That might
have
actually be easier to understand, personally, for me at least.
Dirt, and then we have
Sapling,
1.
and then,
This is the sapling,
and
and then we have
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3, 4, 5, 6,
7.
7, and then this is the 8th block. Yeah.
7
But I
blocks.
never think about the sapling, so
Oh boy.
yeah.
And you could
But
just say
anyway.
9 blocks or 8 blocks between the dirt and the block, I guess. That would be
I
just a
was
lot
gonna
easier
do
to
dirt, sapling, and then
7
it's
blocks.
8.
No, it's 7 blocks.
Yeah,
Air.
7 air blocks, and then the
Height limiter block. Nice.
So the only height that can generate the only big oak height that has the chance of generating horizontal branches with that height limit is 6. Which is the maximum height
You also need to copy paste it into tree huggers.
trunk can have with the height limiter in that position. The math used to well, maybe I should explain what the origin of the branch is.
Yeah.
To place horizontal branches, the game will choose a position on the trunk,
Which is called the branch origin, maybe?
which is called the branch origin. When checking if it, when the height
You
of
need to
the
take
tree,
the theoretical blah 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 thingy in count.
yeah, but
it.
I need to also tell what
yeah.
the height, like the canopy height, is. So the maximum foliage height,
Oh man.
right?
I didn't know about that part because they didn't explain that to me.
Oh yeah, I mean it's basically, at the beginning when you grow the tree,
Yeah.
it tells you canopy height
Yeah, I
is
don't
5.
know what canopy is.
Basically the top of the tree.
Okay. And then?
Well, I can do it here, so I only need to remove the things. Yeah, we got the same thing again, so it's actually easy to explain. Canopy height is 5, which is scaled to 3. 1, 2, 3. But scale to 3 doesn't matter because this is always like the only thing where it matters is for the offset, which is 2 in our case. But yeah, it doesn't matter. And the difference between the y coordinate of the branch origin and the saplings is 3 for this one, but it doesn't try the other one, but yeah. So the difference between that needs to be greater than the canopy height multiplied by 0.2.
You could also take a screenshot of this thing so that it will make more sense to people.
I mean, not really. Like, you don't know what half of the stuff is.
Oh man.
So
I mean, I don't either, but I kind of understood after like 10 minutes or something.
well, because I was there explaining it to you.
I mean, that makes sense too. But you're typing, alright.
It's not even like it's not really needed.
Yeah.
The game will choose a position on the trunk, which is called the branch origin. Okay. The only valid option it can choose is right. I need to introduce the height though. With a 6 high tree, the only valid origin y value will be a double that uh, a little a little more than one block above, right? Right? It's a little more. That's
only valid origin.
greater than the y position.
I mean, you could just
Of
make an example
link
like 0.5 and
by
negative
a
0.5.
factor
Oh man, that looks so complicated.
of a factor x, which is strictly between which is I guess
Oh man.
factor x where
Maybe you should put the x in italic form. Maybe not actually. No.
so it's strictly between 0 and 1.
Wait. With a 6i tree, the only valid origin value will be a double that is greater than the y position of sibling by factor of 6.
Right?
Greater
Call
than
it
the
A
y position.
to avoid confusion.
Yeah, because x looks like
And then like do this. Wait, oh man. Oh wait, I took the wrong one.
I was thinking like, what are you doing?
I did the wrong
I
one.
was like,
Nice.
Oh,
Genius.
Man. Oh man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh Then for the trunk not for the branch, sorry. Oh man. To be able to generate the difference between the y position of the branch origin and the y position of the sapling needs to be greater than the height of the trunk increase then how can I say it? Then the height of the trunk increased by 2, then multiplied by 0.2. Okay. In the case of a 6 high tree, this value, which I'll call canopy height, is 1.6. Wait, no. This value is 1.6. Okay. Now, the bug is when when checking the difference, now when determining the actual block coordinates of the branch origin, the y position
You're missing an
gets
I for the position.
oh, thank you. It casts to an integer which removes the which means the decimal part doesn't matter at all. This causes the positions where the y, maybe I should wait. So when determining the
It
actual block
constant
coordinates of the
integer,
branch origin,
that looks very complicated.
the y position gets simply cast to an integer, which means the decimal part doesn't matter at all.
Maybe you should say, for example, 0.5 will be.
For example, a y value of 0. I don't know 673 will become 0, and a y value of minus
603. Maybe take the same number will be better. So
673
will also become 0.
Will also become 0. As you might have noticed, this means that sorry, the in case of a positive value, the block coordinates will be of
Lower than
block directly above sapling, because the difference well, how can I explain it in a good way? In case of positive value, the block coordinates will be the block directly above the sapling. Okay, so
in my opinion, you should just get more examples in, like,
yeah, if we say the sapling is at y equals
5,
10, for example,
10,
okay,
yeah.
which is, well,
And if the
reasonable.
double is like 11 or something, maybe?
Sapling is at y equals 10, the valid branch, like the branch origin y position will be a
You could just set a number for it.
Can vary between 11 point
6.
x and
Oh,
well 11 point I guess
I mean, you could just set a value
12
for it.
minus x, where x is where x greater than 0, right?
Yeah.
That should make sense. 11 point y, where x, y are greater than 0. Oh, well, I guess you can have it x in both, right? Because
Yeah.
it's a little more than 11,
Yeah.
but always less than 12.
Yeah.
And due to the cast to integer, the decimal part x is not relevant. So the lock position, so the actual y position will be 11.
Yeah. However,
now if we put the sapling at y equals minus 10, branch origin y position can vary between still minus and then no wait minus 10
point x.
Point. Wait, does it? Does it actually?
No, wait, this.
Should, right? Maybe I'm getting lost in what I'm saying.
No, it's -9. Right? The branch origin is at -46.
Wait. Wait. I need to.
You should
clean
press
that
F3
up.
plus, yeah, the.
Yeah. I forgot to do it, but. Yeah. Okay.
46. And the branch. No, the -48.
And minus 46.8. So it is basically
-47 to -46.
Yeah, -47
to -46. So in our case, it's -9 to -8.
Yeah, -9
Point
minus
x.
9
point x
point x
till
and minus 8 point x, right?
no, it's -8
Oh,
minus x
minus 8
minus x.
minus x, yeah. And minus 8 minus x. Right?
No, it's -8 minus x. It's a -8
then it's
and it minus x, so it becomes -9 or something.
Oh, yeah, I'm stupid. Where x is greater than 0.
Yeah.
Minus 9 point x and minus 8 minus x. But no, then minus 9 point x doesn't actually.
Oh yeah, so it's from -8
dirt?
point x to -9.
Can we place the dirt at minus 10 and just do it?
Yeah.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, I'm looking at minus 10. I should be. Yup, I'm looking at minus 10. Then I'm going to put the height limiter. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
No,
and
it's
then I
8.
remove these.
Wait. Right? No, wait. One block and then there should be 7. Yeah,
I mean,
9.
stapling, and then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7
Yeah,
air, and then the height limiter. So
Yeah.
it's 9 blocks, and then I remove 8 and without the sub one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. What's the number?
Wrong 3, I think. No, it's the right 3. Okay. So we get the yeah, it's between minus
7 point something. What?
minus 7 point something.
Wait, where is the sapling height? The sapling height is at -9 instead of -10.
Oh yeah, because I'm fucking idiot. I put the dirt at
Oh, yeah.
-10, but it should be the same. Of course, it should be the same. Well, let's do it once again.
Now it's as expected.
So yeah,
8 point something till 9. No, till 9 minus x. Wait. Till 9 plus x.
point x.
I mean, to be honest, you
Yeah.
could just say -8 point x. The branch origin y position will be -8 point x, where x is greater than 0.
9.
Minus.
It's minus 9
Plus
what?
x. Plus x.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Where x greater than 0. Which means the rounding will always means the rounding which means the cast to integer will round or will make it so the actual y position is 8, right? Minus 8.
Yeah. I mean, you could look back in Minecraft.
Yeah, it's minus 8.
Yeah, because it's 8 point something.
So if we now check if the branch can generate, we have 10 minus 9
1.
equals 1
But
for positive values. Or well, non-negative values, right?
oh. Yeah,
Well,
just
I'm
positive,
gonna
who
say
cares?
positive, and then if anyone actually reads it, which I
If
doubt,
any.
and they have a question, which I doubt even more, then I can answer it.
And it'll be like one
Positive
person.
y values, which is lower than 1.6, which we calculated was calculated in the above. But for negative values, have minus 10, right?
No, -8 minus -10.
Oh yeah, minus 8 minus minus 10.
Equals to 2.
Which yeah, equals 2, which is greater than 1.6. So the branch can actually generate. Okay, this should be understandable, hopefully.
Okay.
Um,
Wait, branch origin is where the branch will start, right?
yeah, and now, yeah, bang.
Oh man.
Oh wait, the formatting, oh, of course, not shitted. So I need to add these back. Oh, and also it fucking. Yeah, I know that I copied the position. I was dumb. The username and the date and stuff. I'm formatting it decently.
Okay.
Okay, now it should be. Fucking finally. Okay, now I can actually remove all this code
Nice.
because we don't need it anymore.
Nice.
Fine. Fuck you, big oak. Actually, shift 3. And now, having used the to-do, is very easy to remove
Nice.
the code that shouldn't be there. I can just do this, and everything goes away. And bye, and bye bye, and bye bye, bye bye. Nice. And down here. Goodbye to you. Yeah, I can remove the Java. I don't care. Bye bye to you and bye bye to you. Nice. Then I need to go in here and actually uncomment the thing. So it goes back to how it was. And then I need to remove this thing. And it should be back to vanilla, I think. Yup. Nice. But yeah, it wasn't.
Simplified removing every technical details because it looks. I took out the final part where you wrote the conclusion and I wrote them in a stupid way that maybe a
man.
stupid people will understand. Oh man. I won't even try to explain how the branch origin is calculated. It's calculated, yeah. Oh man.
But yeah, no one is gonna read it anyway.
Oh man, yeah.
Yeah, explanation with normal language.
Oh man.
And yeah, like the part where we would have to do the math is proving that the value cannot be
Greater than.
greater than that.
Oh
But
man. Who cares? I don't care.
yeah, I really don't give a fuck.
Care. Alright, finally we. Oh man.
Yeah.
How long is this stream, huh? I don't know. Alright, yeah, finally, okay. I'll end that stream. End video.